Merry-go-round number 65. We are showing off our skills with that staccato. So please practice 64 a lot. Play this bowing pattern with all of your scales and get comfy with it. So we have some hopping around. We are in G major. So we have a low 2 on the A and the E string, high 2 on the G and D. And so let's pluck it and say it before we do this, because we want our fingers to know what we're doing before we try to combine the new bowing with the new fingers. So master one first and master them both separately and then combine them. So let's do the fingers and saying it. 1, 2, ready, go. D, 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 B, G, G, A. Low 2 is C natural, E, rest, D, 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 B, G, G. 4 is A, high 2, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C natural, A, B, B, C natural, D, B, D, 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 B, G, G, A, G, F sharp, G, 2, 3, good. Now we're just going to do a down, up, up, down, up, up. So let's play it a little bit on the slower side, and you can always speed it up with a metronome because it's supposed to be 132. It's supposed to be chipper, fun, like a merry-go-round. 1, 2, ready, go.